Sheep vocabulary, picture and meaning. Sheep. A farm ruminant mammal with a thick woolly coat and typically only in the male, curving horns. It is kept in flocks for its wool, skin, or meat. Ram. An adult male sheep that can breed. Another meaning. R.A. RAM. Abbreviation for random access memory. Computer memory in which data can be changed or removed and can be looked at in any order. Ewe. A female sheep. Gimmer. A year-old female sheep. Lambkin. A very young lamb. Lamb, the young of a sheep. Wether. A male sheep that has been castrated before sexual maturity. Shearling. A sheep between 1 or 2 years of age that has been shorn, equals had its wool cut off, only once. Merino. A breed of sheep originating in Spain that produces soft, good quality wool. Cheviot. A British breed of white-faced sheep are famous for the quality of their wool. Gambol. To run and jump in a playful way. Lambs were gamboling about in the spring sunshine. By. The sound made by sheep or lamb. Wool. The soft, fine, thick hair that grows on the bodies of sheep, goats, and some other animals. Fleece. The wool coat of a sheep. This coat, when it has been removed from a sheep by shearing. Shear. To cut the wool off a sheep. Graze. Of cows, sheep, goat, etc. To grass that is growing in a field. Graze. To break the surface of the skin by rubbing against something rough. Lamb. The flesh of a young sheep eaten as meat. Mutton. The meat from a fully grown sheep eaten as food. Sheepskin. The skin of a sheep with the wool still attached to it, used especially for making coats and rugs. Sheepfold. An area in a field surrounded by a fence or wall where sheep are kept for safety. Shepherd. A person whose job is to take care of flocks of sheep and move them from one place to another. Shepherdess. A woman whose job is to take care of sheep and move them from one place to another. Shepherd's crook. A long and sturdy stick with a hook at one end, often with the point flared outwards, used by a shepherd to manage and sometimes catch sheep. Sheepdog. A dog that is trained to help control sheep and move them on a farm. Sheep anatomy. Thanks so much for watching. If this was helpful, be sure to leave like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.